Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make the PDF file using the CamScanner app. So let's start the video guys. Okay, so here we are. This is my CamScanner, you can see. Okay, and here what you can do, here you need to you can directly take the picture of your document, or you can add your document from your device. Okay, if I click on this plus icon, then it will be take you to the your device gallery, and you need to choose your document from here. And in this option in camera, you can directly click the photo of your document. So I just click on this. Okay, I just click my that. Okay, in CamScam now this is updated. Okay, it is automatically click your photos. Okay, if you double click, it will be the document will be duplicate. Okay, so I will show you again. Okay, okay, I did not click on this camera. Okay, it is by default select all the size and of paper, and it is take automatically. Okay, and if you want to click yours by yourself, then you need to opt that uh, auto click. You need to select that option manually. Okay, you need to select that, then auto capture is off. Now you can simply take your picture. Okay, by clicking this camera button. Okay, now I clicked. Now you need to just change that. You need to select that border, and you need to crop your document as per your requirement size. After that, you need to just continue. If you want to retake your picture, you can click on retake. You can also rename your document. You can rotate your document. Here the some filter you can choose, like there is some filter. If you want, you can choose from here. Okay, then click OK. Okay, then you can retake. There is a crop. You can also crop your picture. Then if you want to add more, then go to the continue, and here you can add more. Just click the photo, then crop the photo and just continue. So now we have two photos, or two that image. Okay, after you done, just go to the this done icon. Just click on this done icon. Now we have two images, you can see. This is first, this is the second. Okay, now if you want to save this in your device, you can go to the save, and save only this file, or save entire document. Save only this file means only this page will be saved, or if you click on save entire document, then that both 1 and 2 page will be saved on your document as a PDF. Okay, you can see here, when you once you click there, you need to select that PDF options. Then if you want to make it password protected, you can make it password protected. You can also create the zip file. If you have multiple documents, you can create the zip files. Okay, here the size. Now you can save to your phone storage, or you can save your to your my document options. And here the cloud Google Drive option. You can also send this document to your email ID. Okay, and if you want to directly share this file as a PDF, you can click on this share button, and here you need to select PDF, and then you go to the share. Once you click on share, then you will see your all share option, like on WhatsApp, on whatever you have. Okay, apps. Okay, then you can share this document as a PDF. Okay, so that is a process of CamScanner to share your document as a PDF. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.